Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is basically created to make a brief analysis about the Assam Budget 2021 which has been released on 16/7/2021. So all of you go through this budget. If are a new viewer, then first subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and enjoy the classes. On 16/7/2021, Srimati Ajanta Neuk, the first woman finance minister of Assam, placed the first proposed budget of the new government under the leadership of newly elected Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma. The budget tried to hit all the aspects, prospects of Assam in the coming time. This video is basically made to highlight about the plan, proposal and policies of Assam in the field of education. First, before going into the depth, we will provide a good news that government of Assam proposes of providing free cell phone among the students of class 9 and 10 who are studying under government school, so that they can compete with the private institutions and do not suffer any loss for the studies during the COVID pandemic. Nearly government targeted about 8 lakh students will get benefit of it. Government of Assam has segregated the budget connecting education sector into three sectors. Number one, primary education, secondary education, higher education and technical education. So we will provide each sector in different way. Under primary education, government proposes of introducing a policy named Pattabban, where 1000 selected school will be transferred as an efficient study center. Secondly, 58,224 specially able students will be admitted in different schools and they will get home education services. This is a very good news. Under primary school, free uniform shall be distributed among the students, nearly about 37,73,645 students by the year 2022. Those students who were studying under government and provincialized school. Annual grant will be released among number of school is 41,485. For the session 21-22, government has estimated amount for primary education is 9,389.5 crore. This is a huge amount. Under secondary education, government also has certain proposals to distribute free books among students from class 9 till class 12. Continuation of free admission and tuition fees will be going on for the student of class 11 and class 12 under provincialized high school and higher secondary schools. Free uniform will be distributed among secondary schools students of class 9 and class 10. This is an important thing government has launched, that sanitary pad shall be provided to all the girls from class 6 till class 12. Next, a software is being developed through which online appointment, online transfer of teachers shall be dealt. Okay, so through a portal, all the transfer related problem, appointment related problem, government will try to sort it out. Another important information for the teacher working under secondary education, that those teachers who were working in different remote places shall provide quarter and hostel facilities to make sure about the regular presence. So those who are working in the remote area, now they will provide certain quarter or hostel facilities where they can stay and they need not to think about the different problem of transportation to come to their residence. They will provide quarter and hostel facilities. Under secondary education, government has an estimated proposal of an amount of 5,131.51 crore for the development of the secondary education. Under higher education, government also has some proposal like under RUSA, 2 universities and 142 education institute has been sanctioned and 391.807 crores has been released for different projects related with the above subject. For securing higher education and speedy working, it is been improvised in different university, college and polytechnic. For vocational stream, facilities has been added in different colleges. In the second phase, government has proposed of 2 universities and 137 colleges to be sanctioned. Government proposes an estimated amount for the development of higher education is near about 2,612.80 crores. In the field of technical education also, government has certain plans and proposals. Number 1, 3 new engineering colleges will be set up at Bongaigaon, Bihali and Swalkosi. 3 new polytechnic institute were to be established in Hajo, Majuli and Tingkhong. Secondly, establishment of multi-skilling and sustainable center at about Assam engineering colleges. In the field of technical education, budget proposes an estimated amount of 410.17 crore. Okay, government has many plans and proposal connecting with education sector at all level, at primary, at secondary, at higher education, at technical educations. So we all have to wait for the good result that come from the government side. They have their plans. Let's see how much they are successful in the education sector. Okay, this is all about the video, and this video is scripted by Kuldeep Sharma. Voice has been provided by Harjyoti Kolita, and all the technical edit has been done by Sujit Singh. Okay, this is all about for the video connecting with the budget. Hope everyone will get some idea about the budget, education sector highlighted. Okay, thank you for joining the video. Stay tuned with my channel. Keep tuning with my channel, subscribe my channel and share about my channel among all the needies and all the viewers. Thank you.